Good morning everyone. Ayaw karon sa atong area sir. Ito sa Rice Craft Establishment. Ayaw karon kining unit nga ride-on transplanter. Ako i-identify ang mga parts niya sir. Yara to sa engine system. Ini ang engine hood, air cleaner, fuse box, radiator pan, radiator cap, alternator, coolant, starter motor, muffler, exhaust, oil, filter, horn, flywheel, wheel cap, spring spare. Hanapot ka sa control and lever. Diya ang forward and backward lever, planting lever, lock, throttle, hand throttle, brake, foot accelerator, ignition switch, horn, steering wheel, dashboard, driver seat, gas tank sa ilawom. Dapat sa transmission system ay body wheel. Dapat sa planting system, planting guide, planting amount of depth.
Labin na. May video labin na. Labin mga sana.
Dito sa planting arm, diya sir, planting arm, planting fork, planting pin, roller mat, may float sir, direct float stand. Mara to sir, mara kaya ako na